Hi, my name is Nick, and this is a video tutorial for the Civ 200 final project. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to import a drawing of a desk chair into AutoCAD and then into your final drawing. It's important to add detail into AutoCAD drawings to make sure it's easier for the reader to interpret. And as engineers, you should always try and make it easier for the reader. So first step, we're going to look at to see what we're dealing with here. This is the floor plan for the high bay lab. This is what we're going off here. And we're going to be focusing on the office for the high bay lab, which you can see here is a 16-meter square area with 6 desk chairs or 6 round table chairs and then a office chair as well. And we could draw these ourselves, but it would be better to import them from Google just to make it look better, and it would be a lot less work too, while we're trying to be efficient. So firstly, we're going to go into AutoCAD. I already have this loaded up. We're going to open a new project by clicking open. Actually, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to click a new project by doing this, right? And then let's just draw our office quickly. This is very rough. When you guys do your actual presentation, it should be better than this. Okay, firstly, we're going to make sure we're orthogonal. We're restricting it orthogonally so that we only go 90 degrees and 45 degrees, which makes it much easier for us to draw. So the first step in drawing our little office area is we're going to make a new layer by clicking layer properties and then this layer with the little sun. Click that, and we're going to call this floor plan office, and we can change the color by clicking the color icon, and then let's do something that makes sense. So let's do gray. Yep. And to make this layer the layer that we're drawing on, we're going to click this little layer with the green check mark. There you go. And to get out of this, you click layer properties again. And as you can see, to click line, everything's in gray. So first step, draw the office we're actually trying to put an office chair in. We're going to go down, say 16 meters squared, so we're going to go 4 by 4. I'm going to zoom in here actually, just to make it a little better, a little easier to read. So we're going to click line, click anywhere on the screen, go down, and then on your keyboard, type 4, enter to confirm that. Go to the right, 4, enter, up, 4, enter. And then, as you can see here, the little green indicates that we're entering the end of a line, so click that. Then right click, click cancel. As you can see, we have a little room, but it's 4 lines here, and we're going to want to make this a square. So what we're going to do is we're going to go click this little end button and modify. Click this, or we can highlight it actually. And then click enter, and as you can see, when I highlight this, it just turns into a square. And we're going to want to draw a desk for us to actually put an office chair at. So we're going to click the midpoint here, go down, say 0.5, enter, go to the right. Let's make the desk chair go here, or let's make it go 1. It's 1.5. 1.5 meters to the right. And then 1 meter up. Let's go 1 meter, or 0.5, just to round it out with the other side. Perfect. So here's our desk that we're gonna make a table for, or make a office chair for. So now to make the office chair, we're gonna go into Google, new tab, and then you can search for AutoCAD office chair. Ignore my bad typing skills. Damn, that was bad. Office chair, download. And then we can use this one. I've already used this one. Click it. Make sure it's a DWG file in order for it to be compatible in AutoCAD. And also make sure it's not a sketchy website and you're not downloading a virus, obviously. We're going to click download, and as you can see here, it pops up, office chair, DWG. I'm going to close this Google tab, close this for a second, and we're going to go into files. We're going to go out of quick access into this PC. That's why I just downloaded that, into downloads, and what do you know, the office chair here is here. Okay, so now that we have our downloaded DWG file of the AutoCAD drawing for an office chair, we're just gonna click it, double click it. Now, as you can see here, a new tab will pop up in AutoCAD of our different views of our office chair. For this specific project, we're only gonna need the top view, so that's what we're drawing in AutoCAD for the 16 by 16 or 4 by 4 room. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click, or left click I mean, draw all the way around here because we only want the one that's not being highlighted right now. Select all these, everything here. As you see, it's all selected. Right click, click erase. See, that's gone. And just for this drawing, we're not going to want dimensions. So we're going to click this. You can actually do this. Make sure not to get the arm of the office chair. All the way around. Right click, erase. Click this, 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 this. Right click, erase. And then finally this. Right click, erase. Oh, right click, erase. So now, just get rid of this. So now we're left with the only thing we want, which is the top view of the office chair. We're gonna left click, highlight everything here, undo left click. As you can see, it's all selected. Then we're gonna press on our keyboard, Control Copy. You can also do this in Home and click, I'll show you this after actually. So, and then we're gonna click on drawing 3, the office we want, or the office we want our chair in. And then Control on your keyboard, Z. And then we have our office chair, which is way too large for our office. So we're gonna just left click here to put it in place. And then what we're gonna wanna do is highlight it all again. Make sure not to get our office in it. As you can see, our office is right here, and this is the chair. We're gonna click Scale. Click anywhere on the chair. Then you can use your little cursor to drag a smaller office chair. Zoom in too, which helps. And click here, copy, Control Copy, Control V. It's still too large, but I'm just gonna click it here. Do the same thing, scale. I'm gonna click the armrest, zoom in, click. And as you can see here, we have our office chair, which is finally proportional to our office, but it's facing the wrong way. So what we're gonna need to do is highlight it, click on rotate, click the office, click the wherever on the chair actually, but I'm gonna do the handrest, armrest. Just use your cursor to rotate it all around to the desired angle. Click. Then we have it at the right facing angle. Control Copy. And then Control V. And then you can move it anywhere you want. I'm going to put it here. And there. That's how you add your office chair into the office to add detail further, to give the reader a better understanding of what drawing you're trying to make and how to interpret it better. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll catch you in the next vid.